Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a fantastic day. Here I am next to Garza Blanca at a gated community that is called Puerto Vallarta. And look at this. It's a hidden paradise. Again, next to the famous Garza Blanca resort. And we are about to put an insane deal on the market. So we are going to list this terreno, this lot, that it has 1,045 square meter overlooking to the Pacific Ocean. Behind you, the jungle. Look at this, in this gated community that hardly anyone knows about. And this, guys, is coming on the market on a giveaway price. We have it on the market only for $480,000. 1,046 square meter. Okay, look at this. If you can see your future home here, give me a call. This is a very, very special deal now. Thanks for watching. Have a super weekend.